Oh, we're
We
recording?
Yep.
Hello, you guys.
No, do that again.
What happened to the first one?
That wasn't good.
Hi, you guys. Was that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, you guys. እንደምንድን ናችሁ? ደህና ናችሁ? By the way, somebody said we want to see ልዑል ባለፈው. Did you see the comment?
No, I didn't see it.
Do you even check us
Bro.
after we post? You don't?
After seeing the video like
Yeah,
4 times
okay.
while
True,
editing
true,
it.
true. He edits the video, so we can't blame him. Again, somebody said, oh, we want to see Lord.
One day.
One day. Okay. How are you?
If we got like 500 likes.
Fine. So if you want to see Lord, like the video and subscribe. Oh, that was... Okay, good. Ishi, how are you? How was your week?
Great. Been working.
How is it great? If I had your life, I would be crying right now.
I mean...
You did not sleep for the past... since that? And your life is great. How, dude? How are you surviving?
I don't know. Too much coffee? I just had one.
I was about to say, I had to bring him coffee. So sad. And I had the most chaotic week. Before I start, to the people መታዩኝ that approached me last week and complimented my podcast, I love you guys so much. Thank you. So last week, salesmanship ነበረ. Okay? So to the people ማታውቁት salesmanship ማለት ሴንቲሜሪ ልክ 3ኛ ዓመት ስንደርስ there's this course salesmanship የሚባል እና ልክ ከሚድ በኋላ for a week ክላስ ይዘጋልንና we actually sell things to people. So ግቢ ውስጥ ድንኳን ተደርጎ ምናምን በሴክሽን ሆነን we sell things. So me and my friends ቡናና ሻይ ነበር የሸጥነው.
Okay, I got you.
It's not for the week. እዚህ ጋር have a scar ከሰል ያቃጠለኝ
ሰለስቱ ጋር ምን ይሰራል?
ልነግርህ ነው። ቲሸርት ነው የምናደርገው like ሁሉም ሰው right? ከዛ በጣም ጠባብ ነው የሚሰጡን ቦታ እና my friend እንደዚህ ምድጃውን ይዛው እየመጣች I'm like ዞር በሉ ዞር ስል ጀለስ መታ እና ተጣበቀ like I promise you I'm not joking, it's not funny you guys. እንደዚህ ቁጭ አለ እጄ ላይ it didn't burn nothing እና የመሰለኝ የፋቀኝ ነው ለካ ተቃጥሎ ነው ቆዳይ እና I have a scar እዚህ ጋር ግን yeah I heard a lot of pickup lines regarding to my podcast. Some guy said
drop some, okay.
Some guy said እያለፍኩ ነው lattes are መቼም if you're watching this I'm sorry lattes are and he said አንድ ላቴ ግዢኝና for the next person I'll promote your podcast አለኝ and mind you ጀበና ይዣለሁ I'm like and he was like at least pickup line is የማትበይው
You want it to be rated?
Exactly. I was like, sir, I have a life. ብዙ የተጠሙ ሰዎች አሉ. We had to go ከ1 ሰዓት እስከ 11 ሰዓት ነው ስራው.
Oh damn.
ምንሰራው. So like literally for the whole week.
How much did you make? Confidential.
ግን like በቀን 700 ብር ማስገባት ነበረብን ለትምህርት ቤቱ ህዝባ ማይንድ ቡና አፍልቼ አፍልተን አስገብተን በሳምንት ነው በቀን 700 ብር አስገብተን ነው ትርፋችን የኛ. It was very hard. It's very hard. So the people that actually do this for a living በጣም profitable ነው. One.
Okay.
በጣም ማለት
Take notes people.
እንዴ do it. I swear to God. በጣም profitable ነው ግን በጣም ያለፋል. ማለት ጠዋት ተነስተን ከሰል አያይዘን ሻይ ጥደን everything. I felt like a mom. ብቻ ግን it was very nice. Honestly, it was a 10 out of 10 experience. ምናምን it was very cool. ባለፈው you guys said straight to the point ነው የገባችሁት ምናምን ስላላችሁን ዛሬ ይኸው we yapped. I yapped. Anyways, የዛሬ ቶፒካችን already ለልዑል ተነግሮታል honestly. ግን it's about heartbreak. እሺ, have you ever got your heart broken? We can't lie here. We can't lie here.
I'm not gonna lie. So I'll give you an answer. What I think it fits.
Yeah, indeed.
Right? I'm gonna be honest.
Okay.
All right. Well, do I really know what heartbreak is in the first place?
Okay.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
So, I had relationships in the past, obviously.
Okay.
And in every relationship, like in Sarag, there's a reasons.
Yeah.
And like how that makes me feel.
Uh-huh.
Like so, but I'm messed up.
Yeah.
Like it ruins like a couple things that I'm like doing right now.
Yeah.
So in real life, man. So I don't know what actually heartbreak is. I guess because if that's what I felt is like heartbreak, really heartbreak, it didn't hurt as much.
Okay.
You know what I'm trying to say? But I heard people explaining like heartbreak is like the worst. No, I'm just doing a lot. The level of pain they went through. I don't see myself as that guy. I never saw myself.
So for you, it's more of losing a person than a heartbreak, right? Interesting. Actually, so ዛሬ የምናነሳቸው ፖይንቶች አሉ as always. The first one is going to be what heartbreak actually is.
Okay.
Right? So it's እንዳልከው በጣም ይለያያል from like people to people. Again, I don't think heartbreak is just missing someone አይደለም. When you get your heart broken, it's like losing a routine. You lose a whole ass routine.
That's a valid point.
Right? And your comfort, your future plans. Like the big one is routine, of course. You know the small ones, Rasu? ጠዋት ተነስተህ texting in the morning, throughout the day የምታወራው ማታ the conversations ምናምን that's like your whole routine. And then once you lose someone, completely different. And I think it makes the heartbreak even worse. Because something ከለመድከው ነገር completely different no.
True.
Right? And it's like your identity, a part of your identity is lost. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I felt that.
I swear to God, this feels like therapy.
I felt it, yeah, exactly. I felt that before, and that's why I'm saying it's true. Because everything that I used to do, you know, imagine going to her place, just like taking a walk, FaceTiming, texting, just everything, right? Everything adds up. You know what?
Yeah.
Everything is a brick.
Yeah.
Gabash. It's a wall that just got destroyed, you know?
True. Is she? Because unexpected parቶች አሉት. Okay, guys, I'm looking at my notes, okay? Lord said እንዳታሳይ.
You don't need no Drake.
May 15, we're gonna stream the album.
W.
So unexpected parቶች አሉት. Those are like random wave of sadness out of nowhere. Have you felt that? Like you're just having a random day and you're like, oh.
Yeah, it just kicks.
Yeah. It kicks in. You felt that?
Yeah.
Interesting. And then you missed him at your lowest moment. Not just the good ones. Like, you know when you're having a good day and you're like, oh, you're about to text someone, but then you remember you have no one to text?
Yo.
That was deep. I'm sorry, but I have to do it for you guys. Because nobody's going to tell you the truth. And Becca, everything feels quiet. I feel like right after a breakup, it feels like you don't have any life.
First morning.
Oh my God.
Empty.
Do you even sleep? You don't even sleep, Coco.
In the middle of nowhere.
In
the middle of nowhere, yeah. It doesn't even make sense now.
Literally.
It doesn't make sense.
You guys, we're not going through a heartbreak. Okay? We're just...
Was there.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Good. Because there's this other phase, I know better, but I still feel like a bit. I had this conversation with my friend. And he was like, I know she's not good for me, and they always end up together. You know, like, this is not gonna work out. They block each other, and then አንዳቸው ይመለሳሉ. They just look for the tiniest reason to get back together, even though there's like 100 reasons. ወደዛ በቃ እሱም እሷም የሚያስኬድበት one tiny reason, boom, they're together. Which I feel like it makes everything more hard. You know, it's because you know they're not right for you, and you still want them. You know, nothing's gonna change. I don't believe in second chances. To the point where መጀመሪያ ያጣላህ reason something ማይቀየር ከሆነ what's the point of doing it again? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You know, like nothing's gonna change. አሁንም እኮ you're going to repeat history. Even worse.
True.
And then you romanticize memories. You just said it, ቅድም.
You do.
Like every little
Big time,
thing. የዛን ሰዓት ላይ ትልቅ ነገር መስሎ ያልታየህ ነገር after the breakup, the walks, you literally said it. It feels very you know, different. Cause the other point is overthinking and self-blame. Like you go to the point where it's like, was it me? Point like and then you replay conversations. Have you ever done that?
Yeah, of course, 100%.
Right?
Yeah, you don't even have to break up to review this conversation. Yeah.
True. And then wondering if you could have done more. Have you wondered, like, if I could have done this better?
If I could just improve on communication, you know, I could have just solved the little things
majority
that
of the problem. Yeah.
Exactly.
Interesting. And then there's the difference between attachment and not love.
Love?
So it's like, are you missing them or just not wanting to be alone? I feel like ብዙ ሰው struggle የሚያደርገው is with loneliness. They're just attached to that person and they think that's love. You know, they just want someone next to them.
To feel the whole part of it.
ራሳቸውን ለራሳቸው መስጠት ያቃታቸውን ነገር ሌላ ሰው ስለሰጣቸው they think they love that person. They just don't want to be alone. So people get confused between attachment and not love, which are completely different things. I'm not getting used to someone being there now. Attachment ሲሆን ቅድም እንዳልነው routine ነው አላልንም? So you just want someone, and then it goes to the point where it doesn't matter who that person is. Attachment ሲሆን you just want someone.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know, if you break up with someone today and then 3 days after, if you talk to someone else, you forget about that person because you just want someone to fill that void of being alone. ሚለውን ነገር ከዛ the ego side of heartbreak ደግሞ አለ. The ego side is like you feel rejected. You know, that pushes a lot of, I feel like you're very egotistic, dude. You know that?
I am very egotistic.
Not in like your day-to-day life, Adela. You're the nicest person.
Yeah, I would say so.
Right?
Yeah.
But when it comes to relationship, I feel like based on the conversations we had.
True. Give me that look, bro.
Enough? You would want them to come back to just feel chosen again. Just and so there's
for me
like
to feel chosen again.
Yeah. You know, because you're like, oh, they didn't reject me. They still want me.
And they just life goes on.
Like
reassurance that you're wanted.
Exactly.
Damn.
See how it's related to you. If I feel like አንድ ሰው ግን ከራሱ ጋር በጣም comfortable ከሆነ or if they show their self enough love, እነዚህ ነገሮች ማተር አያደርጉም. You wouldn't go back just to prove a point that somebody will choose you. Because you would understand it doesn't matter.
Yeah. So
somebody,
yeah, exactly.
You know, somebody that actually loves you, you don't have to prove አንተ እንዴት ነው አንተ ለነሱ prove ማድረግ የለብህም to be chosen. They would actually choose you. Exactly. And that's it.
So it's like I think it can go back to like childhood
trauma. Yes.
Because there's something that's missing. And trying to fix it or to fill that out.
Yeah.
Don't you think so?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. It goes back better. It's a character that you built as ego.
Yeah.
With the ego. That's really bad.
True. Because I don't know, there are things that people don't admit. Usually. People admit matter with ነገሮች አሉ. After the breakup ማለት ነው. A stage. Have you ever checked their socials?
Yeah.
You have?
Of course.
እውነት?
I did. but like the first month, maybe, the first month, maybe 2, but like it's rare. The second one, because you can't just cancel out people and now just leave life, you know?
I do.
Because I do too, but there's this voice in the back of my head.
Yeah, ግን እኔ እኮ I do in a sense of እኔ strong ሆኜ አይደለም. It would crush me if I do that.
That's what I'm saying. Like right after shaking Vincent.
That's what I mean.
I was like, oh fuck, what
exactly. Why did I do that? Yeah, that's why I never do that.
Right.
You no, don't ever do that. It will crush you.
Learn my lesson. Bro.
Exactly, and it's never good. You would never see anything good.
Nothing.
It gets worse.
you just like you looking at a stranger or like Allah.
Exactly. And then hoping they regret it. Have you ever just sat down and you're like, I wish they text, like fixing something? No.
Hoping they regret it. Well, I don't want to sound cocky, but hear me out.
Okay.
You know what to be cocky, huh? I never, nobody have been like
dumped
broke
you?
up with me. Yeah, nobody dumped me, but I guess yeah. No, they regretted when I never felt it. So realistic. Yeah, that's I never felt in this, you know. But like, they might feel that.
This is what I live with, by the way. Anyway,
why would you say that? I'm trying to be honest.
Wow. I get you. It makes sense. Again, still, have you ever, even if أنت بتكون initiate متى break up, have you never felt like, oh, they're gonna text?
Yeah, of course. They're gonna text?
Yeah. You've been in that situation?
And they did.
I know, I'm just asking.
Exactly, yeah. But like, me wanting them to text? Not really, but like, if they just go below.
I did you wonder.
I was like what?
Exactly. See, that's what I mean. Yeah. It doesn't matter if أنت initiate አደረከው break up እነሱ ሁለቱም side ላይ you're going to wait for that text. Like, was it a joke to you? You're not gonna fight?
Even though I'm the one who just
literally. Okay, and then the other point people don't admit is comparing yourself with the person that comes after you. People don't admit that. They're like, I don't care. But deep down, you do care.
Okay.
Have you ever compared yourself?
I've wondered what kind of nigga is going to replace me. But I never went there to look for it. You know, I didn't, and I never saw it because I avoided that. I just don't want to know.
Oh, okay.
I just don't want to feed that idea of my question how to go part of me. I started digging it. It was just like, bro,
leave it wondering.
Gone. Whatever's happened, but you left for good. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
You don't have to know who's next. Like, why? What's the point? Then I saw it and again, the what? I feel like shit. I feel good when I'm just. It doesn't matter.
Regardless, yeah.
It doesn't matter.
The other point is healing is not pretty.